Hi there everyone, Life DIY Josie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Thrifty Thursday, when I do a throwback of one low budget idea every Thursday. Get 2 shelf risers from Dollar Tree, also known as cabinet shelves. Put them upside down. Connect the 2 together. Count 7 spaces on one that you will put on top of the other. One of the legs of the shelf at the bottom will be inserted through the 7th slot. Doing so will create 3 equal sections. Use zip ties to connect the 4 corners of the middle section. I use 4 heavy-duty zip ties. You can add more if you desire. Make sure that you crisscross them to ensure that they don't slide off. Align them before you tighten each zip tie. You may also use hot glue to reinforce each connection to make it more stable and prevent it from sliding. Use a sharp pair of scissors or a wire cutter to cut the excess zip ties. Get 4 organizer wire basket, also from Dollar Tree. Start connecting from the bottom. This will be your first shelf. Position it where the left and the right have equal spaces and overhang. So I would tie this at the 3rd wire on each side. I use a total of 4 zip ties to connect this basket to the 2 legs of the shelf riser. Tighten the zip ties and cut the excess. Repeat this step on all the baskets, sitting them on top of the 2 legs in each one and then connecting them with 4 zip ties, with the last basket sitting at the very top. And here is the finished project. I love this a lot. This gives you enough space for a lot of things. This can be freestanding or hanging on the wall. What I've also done here is turn the ends of the zip ties to the sides so that it will not be protruding, so that also it will sit well on top of the table should you decide to use this as a tabletop organizer. You can hang this up on the wall as well. Use some command or adhesive hooks. Also, you can use some galvanized nails or carpenter nails to hang this on the wall. And if you collect a lot of craft tubes or paints or acrylic paints, this is perfect for that. This is perfect for organizing your ribbons. I'll show you how I propped it up in my craft room. Here is my craft room, and as you can see, it can hold a lot of things, and the top shelf can hold the taller bottles as well. Use adhesive hooks to hang this on the inner part of the door in your cabinet to hang your spices, even under the sink for your kitchen or bathroom. This organizer is not only multi-purpose, it's also expandable. You can expand it vertically or horizontally. You can even create an identical unit and tie them back to back for a more spacious freestanding organizer that you can put under the sink or inside your cabinet. The possibilities are endless once again for this versatile organizer. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I'll see you again next week for another Thrifty Thursday. Bye!